Are you looking to build a high-performance rig with standard aesthetics and robust features? The ASRock X870 Steel Legend Wi-Fi might be just what you need, though there are a few trade-offs you'll want to hear about at the end. The ASRock Steel Legend takes a bold step in design, featuring an eye-catching white and silver color scheme that makes it perfect for anyone creating a white-themed PC build. The board's RGB lighting is subtle but customizable, and combined with the clean, minimalistic white PCB, it has a premium feel that ASRock enthusiasts will love. The PCB itself is high quality, built on an 8-layer design with thickened copper, enhancing both durability and signal quality, but doesn't stand up to other mid to high tier motherboards. ASRock has packed in a robust 14+2+1 power delivery system, including ATA DRMOS stages for both V-Core and SoC, ensuring stable power even for power-hungry CPUs like the Ryzen 9 series. With dual EPS connectors, it can handle extreme power demands, making it a solid choice if you plan to overclock. Paired with excellent VRM heatsinks, this motherboard ensures components stay cool during demanding loads. One standout feature is the M.2 quick release mechanism. This innovative toolless system simplifies SSD installation, a welcome convenience for DIY builders who frequently swap storage. Additionally, the board provides extensive connectivity, including 2 USB 4 ports, making it ideal for users who want future-proofed I/O options. Compared to similar models like the Asus Prime, the ASRock Steel Legend has an edge in design, particularly if you want a unique white motherboard with ample RGB options. While the Asus model includes similar connectivity, the ASRock Steel Legend's layout and quick-release M.2 system add extra value, especially around the $250 price point. For the latest deals, make sure to check the Amazon link below. Let's break down some pros and cons to see if this motherboard is the right choice for your setup. Cons: audio codec. Mid-range ALC4082 may not satisfy audiophiles. No debug LED makes troubleshooting harder. Limited PCIe 5.0 slots. Only one slot limits expansion. Pros: stylish design, ideal for white builds. Power delivery: 14+2+1 VRM with ATA DRMOS. DIY-friendly M.2 slots, easy toolless upgrades. Connectivity: dual USB 4, 2.5 gig LAN and Wi-Fi 7. Affordable, balanced features and aesthetics at a good price. In summary, the ASRock X870 Steel Legend Wi-Fi is a beautiful and capable choice of high-performance builds, especially if you want aesthetics and power at a reasonable price. For the best deals, don't forget to check the Amazon link below. And if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.